Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset parental control PIN code on your DYON Movie Smart TV. To reset your parental control PIN code, we're going to have to navigate to the sidebar from the home screen, open Settings menu, and then scroll down to System tab in here and open it. After that, select Parental Control and enter your parental control PIN code, your current one, in this menu. So let me quickly do this. And this will unlock the parental control menu for us. Now here, first we're gonna have to first enable locks, and then select parental control PIN and provide the new parental control PIN in this field and confirm it in the second one. And right now your PIN code is reset. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.